I'm gonna have to get out and make sure I don't hit it. Swing it back out and then reverse on my good side on there. That's the best way to do it. Oh, that's close there, man. It's just the spaces in the supermarkets like crazy. Bit closer. There you go. Oh. Don't think I will go through that. No. I'm loving life right now. And I'm sweating on this. Woo, we're done now. It's always the same. I've just been waiting out. Nobody comes out, so. Oh, just don't press then. I'm not even touching it. I think I broke it. Let's see. Get around there. Morning guys, very early one today. Well, not as early as we already woke up before and all that kind of stuff, but anyway. All right, and look at my sat nav. It's gonna take me 3 hours and 35, which actually is not. It's gonna take me about 4.5 hours to get there, plus traffic and all that. It's a Sainsbury's, normally like a shop and stuff, so they are quite difficult to get in. So the best thing to do before you even get there is just look at your map and make sure that you know the streets, because sometimes it's quite a little bit off trek to get into these little places. All right, this guy's really close to me, so what I can do is trying to push this way a little bit. This guy's like, I'm boxed in, and then that trailer there is actually just gonna make everything a nightmare for me. The back end of my trailer is close to that one more than any other truck. I'm gonna have to get out and make sure I don't hit it. Yeah, it should be all right. Got a little bit of space, but I get out and double check again. It's just to make sure that I don't hit it, because like that, imagine the amount of paperwork and deliveries late and all that. Better make sure. Yeah. Woo! There's nothing wrong with just getting out and times and then just making sure you got enough space. I apologize again guys, because it's dark, but it's out of my control. If you like the content, please like, subscribe, comment, just share this with all your friends that like trucking. Ta-da! We have arrived, and this is the Morrison's, but the sat nav is telling me to go to the roundabout and then do a little turn there. The entrance, when we looked at it earlier, it was by the petrol station, so as you can tell there on the map, it's telling me that we are going to arrive at the petrol station. So when we get there, we'll be able to visualize and see it for ourselves. And you see what I mean? There's someone there already. All right, I know what am I gonna do. So I'm gonna go straight in. Might stop around there. Oh, I think it's going. I think I'm gonna stop here and gonna go and speak to someone. We've done this once before, but just press a couple of times. Just wait here and see what they have to say. Yeah, it's a little bit mental there. I might do is get a truck, pull in there, and then just turn around here like that and just reverse into it, because that'll be my good side. It's not a bad child. I might try that, but first of all, get in there and see what it's like. So I might just get in there and then just reverse there, and if I don't make it, I'm just gonna swing it back out and then reverse on my good side on there. Let's see what happens. All right, let's do this then. Seems a little bit more easier when you're actually on the ground looking at everything, like, oh, it doesn't look that difficult. But when you're in the truck, you'll be like, oh, it's not as easy as it looks. Yeah, blindsided a bit and then come back out and then do on my good side. I thought it would have been enough space like to do, let it spin around, but it's actually not. Okay, let me see how I do this. Just gonna try to keep on them lines. Yeah, and then yellow lines there, gonna try to keep it there and see if I can. Just getting on my blind side. If not, if I think like it's not gonna be possible for me to do, I'm just gonna be like getting back out. I just like to see it. Yeah, it's more than enough space there, to be honest. Oof. You know what? No, I'm going out. I'm doing on my good side. I think it'd be easier. Always look for the easy and safe direction as well. That's the best way to do it. Oh, that's close there, man. Yeah, I got a little bit of space there, so that should be more than all right. Whew. It's not the first time we do something like this, a little bit hard. It's just the spaces in the supermarkets are crazy. Yeah, that's all right. Always doing the little checks, just making sure like you're not gonna bang into something. Like turn slowly. Oh, I made a meal of this. Just need to like all the steering I can, and then as close as I can to the front. Bit closer. There you go. This has been a difficult one, this, I'm not gonna lie. And then that's us reversing now. Whew. Even boiling on this, because I forgot my high base as well, like the short one, I got this big one and I'm boiling. It's like 25 degrees right now. All right, managed to get there at last. Here we on the line. The bait is small, you won't believe it how small it is. But we made it there, at least still out at the end, and that's the little bait there. So, both this. Even one of the drivers said the first time he came in here, it was a nightmare for him. All these races up like the whole platform. Look. Way! We're offloading it now. Wow. Look at how many trolleys. This is pure exercise. I'm loving life right now. And I'm sweating on this. Woo! We're done now. I'm done now in here, so I'm going to the next one. All right, I might close my doors out here. Let's see. Yep. Oh. Don't think I will go through that. No. Oh, it seems like you would. Just push back a bit and then back out. All steer into this side. Can't even see it properly. Yeah, we good. Yes. Close my rear door when I get out of here, I guess. It's gonna be easier and we can record in peace as well. Wow. It's been a day and a half already. No. Time to go. All right. That's all we needed. I need to look at my sat nav and find out which one is the best way to get to my next location as well. All right, the postcode is telling me it's around there, but it's actually not, it's just down here. And I click there, and when I go there, it's a supermarket, so that's the second supermarket in one day, which is not a problem for me. That is a trailer there. So if the trailer is there, that means that the trucks are here, exactly there. So if that's the entrance there, which all this is the whole place, yeah, all right. But it says no entry in there as well. But what it says, deliveries only. So we know that this is where we're going. We know what the street looks like. And what I'm gonna do for this is just put a pinpoint location there. Just deliver there and just gonna go there. I'm gonna put them in here as well. We know where we're going, and that's the main thing. Instead of just going around crazy and getting lost and all that, we know exactly where we have to go and we're gonna get there. Woo. Today's been a day and a half. There's one. Hold it for a minute, just annoying people. Don't do that, you just press until they hear it. It's always the same, I've just been waiting out, nobody comes out, so it's really annoying. I got stuff to do. Get me out of here, lads. Oh, just stop press there. I'm not even touching it. I think I broke it. Just came back up. Another truck just arrived now. So we tried to ring it, nothing. Pressed the bell like for 10 minutes, I would say. so I'm just gonna walk and then just gonna go around the place. Yeah, like I said, gonna get in here, swing around, get on the top there, reverse there, plenty space, easy day. All right, and put my slippers back on. Let's see, get around there. Yeah, that's all right. Swing it, and then I put it like around there. It's that easy because this is my good side as well. All right. No. Pretty much. Nearly did. All right, that should be it. Let's do this. And just pull out of the bay. That easy. Help the guy to take the stuff down, as you would do. A lot of people don't help them, but I do. Look at that. He's got that nail. He's done that before like 100 times. Even in the comes in here, like most of the time, he's struggling a bit to get in there. It looks easy, but it's not that easy. If you think it's easy, you come and do it yourself. You figure out it's not that easy. But it's got to complete now. All right, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video because the camera is on 5. It's not much to do. All I'm gonna do now is get to a yard not too far away from here, drop the trailer and wait until tomorrow morning, which is gonna be a 2 o'clock start. I'm finishing quite early every day now. A lot of people would say like, oh, that's amazing, but to me it's not. It's like, oh God, it's finishing early again. Anyway, thank you for everything. Subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you want, guys. This is your channel, this is not my channel, and thank you for everything.